Most Americans are not bad with money. They're just never taught how to manage it. Bills arrive every month. Rent keeps going up. Groceries cost more than last year. And somehow, saving money is always the last priority. I know this because I lived this life. I'm not rich. I don't earn a six-figure salary. I don't have a trust fund. I live a normal life, just like millions of people in the United States. But one decision changed everything. In 1 year, I saved $10,000. Not by luck, not by risky schemes. It started with awareness. I tracked every single dollar I spent, not guessing, not estimating. Every coffee, every subscription, every small purchase. It was uncomfortable, but necessary. Next, I looked at my expenses honestly. I didn't cut everything. I only removed what didn't add value. Unused subscriptions, too much eating out, impulse purchases. I didn't feel restricted. I felt in control. Then I automated my savings. The moment my paycheck arrived, money moved to savings. I didn't wait to see what was left. I saved first. This removed emotion from saving. But saving alone is slow. So I focused on earning more. Nothing extreme. Small side hustles, online work. Even a few $100s a month creates momentum. When I started investing, I kept it simple. No gambling, no shortcuts. High-yield savings, simple index funds. Slow growth is boring, but it works. Month by month, small decisions added up. Tracking money, cutting expenses, saving automatically, earning a little extra. That's how I saved $10,000. If you want realistic finance advice that actually works in the United States, subscribe to this channel. Because financial control is about decisions, and anyone can learn that.